This is section 11.8, expected value. Expected value is a mathematical way to use probabilities to determine what to expect in various situations over the long run. The standard way to find expected value is to multiply each possible outcome by its probability and then to add up these products. We use the letter E to represent expected value. So let's say that we're given this information here. These are the probabilities for a medical insurance claim, and the amount of the claim to the nearest $20,000 is given here, and the probability of having to pay this out is over here. So if we're supposed to calculate the expected value and describe what this means in practical terms. So what we do if we want to find the expected value is you multiply the amount that has to be paid out by the probability that that has to be paid out. So 0 times 0.70, and then we're going to add to that the amount to be paid out times the probability that you're paying that out. So 20,000 times 0.20, and then 40,000 times 0.06. Plus 60,000 times 0.02 plus 80,000 times 0.01 plus, these take longer to write out than they actually do to calculate. Okay. So now, if we do these multiplications, of course, if you multiply here, that's 0. 20,000 times 0.2 is 4,000. Plus 40,000 times 0.06 is 2,400. Plus 60,000 times 0.02 is 1,200. Plus 80,000 times 0.01 is 800. Plus 100,000 times 0.01 is 1,000. And if you add all these up, you get $9,400. So what does this mean? It means that the average cost of a claim is $9,400 over the long run. Now, this over the long run business is important. It's not over 10 or even 100 or even 1,000,000 claims. It's just over a long time. How long before it sort of averages out? The more claims you have, the closer it should be getting to this value. So, given this information, how much should the company charge as an average premium so that it breaks even on its claim costs? Well, if the average claim is $9,400, then if they charge each premium as $9,400, then they're bringing in as much as they expect to pay out, and so they should break even. Now, how much should they charge if they want to make a profit of $50 per policy? Then simply $50 more than this. So they should charge $94.50 for each policy if they want to make $50 profit on each one. Okay. So let's say a construction company is planning to bid on a building contract. The bid costs the company $1,500. The probability that the bid is accepted is 1/5. If the bid is accepted, the company will make $40,000 minus the cost of the bid. Find the expected value in this situation. Okay, so if the bid is accepted, then they will make $40,000 minus the $1,500 to bid, which is $38,500. Okay, so if the bid is accepted, then that's what they end up making once you make this adjustment. And the probability of this happening is 1/5. Okay, and if the bid is rejected, then they are out $1,500 for the cost of the bid. So that's a negative right there. And the probability of this bid being rejected, well, that would be 1 minus 1/5. So the probability of that happening would be 4/5. So the expected value would be 38.5 times 1/5. Plus 4/5 times negative 1,500. Okay, multiply here and you get 7,700, and this is going to be minus 1,200 when you do that multiplication. So your expected value here is $6,500. So based on this amount of profit and these probabilities, this company can expect to make $6,500 in the long run.